Hello! So it looks like you're having a problem with your layering system or coloring in general in Paint Tool side. The answer is that you need to drag your color layer beneath your line layer. Okay, bye. No, I'm kidding. Okay, there's more to it than that. I got a question about this on my previous video about coloring line art, and I wanted to just go through that because it's really hard to answer questions and comments. I could just show you. Okay, so you've drawn like, oh, this beautiful piece of line art. Oh my God, look how amazing and fantastic it is. It's just the most beautiful thing ever. So you want to color it, but it's really hard to stay in the lines, and it's bad and it looks gnarly. No, this is not a good idea. So you want to come over here to this little page with the dog-eared corner. It says new layer. Click that. You got a new layer. Let's name it. If you're a responsible artist, you will name your layers. Think of each layer as clear pieces of plastic paper or perhaps clear pieces of glass. They are clear. They have they're not actually white. So now let's make her hair beautiful, beautiful aqua color. Be like, oh, but it's still going through the lines, and this is such a problem because it still looks like shit. The answer to this is just to pull the color below your line art. Oh, look at that. So now the clear plastic layer that has your color on it now is behind your lines, and you can just go in and clean that up right there, and now it's looking a lot nicer. Just gotta bring this down a little bit. I am usually a little bit more delicate with my drawing, but you know, demonstration purposes. Okay, but we don't want it to just be one flat color. We'd like it to be like beautifully done. There's a few ways that you can do this, and I will show you. Number one is if you've only got this color on here and you don't want to mess with anything else, you can just go back to our old pal, preserve opacity. And if you want to do a cell shaded color, bam. See, I can only color within the blue. So I can, whoa, boo, doo, make it look, god damn it. Oh, my stabilizer's all the way down, that's why. Whee! Anyway, the point is that you can create nice highlights like that without having to be super exact, you know? And then you say, well, I want like a nice shade, and bring it down bring some more purpley blue into here. Not so bad, a little bit more gray. And whoa, yeah, and then coming here, a little neat, right? Pretty cool, you know. And let's see how like sloppy I'm being with this. Obviously, you can be a little bit more, you know, chill. And if you want to come in, you can bring in water. And it's like, I want something a little more fancy and like, oh, blended looking. Well, you can blend it in like this, and it's not gonna run. Yeah, you got that. And this is all. So I'm gonna poke the eye out here on this, and and it looks sort of like a weird flying whale, but it's actually just her hair color. Yay! That's how that works. So there is another way to do this, and that is with the select tool. I'm gonna come up, remember to change, I wanna go up to my line art, and I'm gonna color this, color that, and then I'm gonna come up to the select tool here, and I'm gonna fill in all of this area, these little gaps here, just sort of, I'm painting in the select tool, and this is by far one of my favorite ways and reasons that I use Paint Tool SAI. I'm actually just going to fill in these because you don't want to forget to make the whites of the eyes white, or they will be clear if you have a PNG, and that will be such a bad time. Always fill in your eyes, people. Boom. Okay, cool. And now if I want to shade it, I can do that really easily because the part I want to have shaded is there. Yay. And again, it depends on whether or not you want it cell shaded. I'm going to bring down a little bit more of this, bring a little bit of this in here. Got some serious shading going on. This is also great if you want to add like color to cheeks or anything like that. I'm going to bring a little pink in, something a little bit softer, lower the density here. Yeah, woohoo! And see, it makes everything super easy. Yay! The selection tool is so much fun. I'm either going to go in there and bring that in, and then I'm gonna bring a little sunshiny yellow lightness. Boop! Now I've got a cute little dollop of something on my nose. It's supposed to be a shine, but there. Yay! Now it's a shine. All right. Yay! And that's how the layering system works. You can tell that if I accidentally drag these out of order and go, woo, the color, now it looks like total shit. It looks like all of the mistakes are totally visible, but go pull it back out. No, now it looks nice. Now it looks, well, it looks adequate. I mean, I did do it in like 2 minutes, but you get what I mean. Like this actually needs to get a shade here. All right, I hope that was helpful, Glamerous Angel124. And if I didn't answer your question, just let me know and I'll try and answer it again. I'm sorry, I'm not great at tutorials. Cool. All right, well, you guys have a great day, and that's it. Bye.